Welcome to this Canva course. My name is Ifeanyi Christopher, and on this tutorial, I'm going to cover everything you need to know about Canva, from video editing to graphic designing to AI illustration, and how you can share your Canva with your schoolmates, your friends, and how you can collaborate. So, whether you're a graphic designer or you haven't designed at all, I got you covered. With Canva, we are going to design everything, and you are going to learn everything you need to know about Canva and start your journey in using Canva to make professional graphic and visual content. Once again, I'm so happy to have you here. You are welcome. Let's get started.
So without wasting much of your time, let's continue. Now, the first thing we are going to create is a flyer. We're going to create a flyer using Canva. So, but before then, I need to introduce the interface for you. So the same way it's on your phone is also the same way it is on the computer. So at my left hand side, you can see the Canva logo. You can see the home, the project, the template, every template here, brand and apps. I'm not going to go into deep. So this is this design spotlight. All the type of designs Canva offers are here. Remember I told you that Canva is a graphic designing platform, a visual representation platform you can use to create video, you can use to create graphic designing content and what have you. So you can see everything Canva offers are here. All you need to do is click on each of those templates and you go ahead and create. If you watch down here, you can see everything I've created is all here, and that's it. So now, before you go ahead to select template and start designing, whether it's flyer or ebook or pitch deck, it's good that you know about graphic design. I know most of you find it difficult to design actually. So graphic design on its own is a course on its own. So we are going to look at it now using Canva. So we are going to use Canva to design right now, but then I need to teach you some basic of graphic design. Once you catch this right now, it doesn't matter the software you are using, whether you use Canva, whether you use Adobe Premiere, Adobe Photoshop, whether you are using CorelDRAW, CapCut, any of the applications you want to use, it is still going to be the same concept I'm going to teach you now is what you are going to apply. So without editing a template, we are going to start from scratch and create a flyer from scratch. But before then, I need to teach you basic elements on graphic design. Okay, so welcome back. So right now I'm going to create a design. So I'll have to click on create a design at my right hand side, top right hand side. So I'm going to click on create design. So it's going to ask me what kind of design I want. Let me customize the design. Come back here and create customize my design. So width and length, I need something like Instagram picture handle. I just want to use and teach you. Instagram picture should be 330 pixel, 330 by 330. So I'm creating a fresh design. Okay, you can see the window has opened and it's already directing me to where we are going to make that fresh design. So for the scope of this course, we are doing graphic design from scratch. So I'm going to teach you some various concepts about graphic design. Then we move and we start creating and editing templates. Okay, you can see it has fully loaded and you can see my blank design I have created. So introducing the window to you, you can see the home button, the file, the resize. If I want to resize this, I will have to use a Canva Pro version, undo and redo. The same way it's going to appear on your phone. So you can see the elements. You select elements. When we start using them, you have to grab it. But I don't want to talk about these things now. I just want to teach you graphic design now. So when we start editing Canva template, like these are templates. Now I'm not going to introduce all those things to you. So the first thing you need to know about graphic designing particularly is color. You need to know about color. Color is very important. Color dictates the tone of your design. Color dictates the tone of your design. Color is very important in graphic design. So what are the colors I'm going to use? This is the first thing that will come to your mind. What are the colors I'm going to use? So for a graphic content to be good and professional, you should not use more than 3 colors. That's rule number one. You shouldn't use more than 3 colors. 3 colors is max. Now you can break the rules. Nobody's asking you not to break the rules, but 3 colors is perfect. Yeah. Now you can use as you like. You can use any type of color you want, but 3 is perfect for you. We are going to go deeper into that just a little bit. Now you need to know about your color wheel. I believe that you're a beginner in graphic design. That's why I'm taking you back to the primary of graphic design, so that when we are creating flyers, it's going to be easy. Once you get this concept, wherever you are, you're confident, you are comfortable in learning graphic design, in doing graphics. Okay, so you need to know about your colors: primary color, secondary color, and tertiary color. I know you already know it, but I just want to bring it to limelight and show you a little bit about it. So you need to know that the primary colors are red, yellow, and blue. So when you're creating a design, you need to know your primary colors: red, yellow, and blue. So something like this. Let me go to element. Now you're learning this is element. I want to create a shape, 3 shapes immediately, so we can move on. I need a square. Okay, so okay, something like this. I need this. Okay, so the primary colors are something like this: red. Okay, let me copy this and paste it. Okay, just want to show you something a little bit. Okay, this should be yellow. Yellow. Okay, and I paste this again, and we are getting a blue color. Okay, all right. So this is what I'm showing you here now is your primary colors. So these are primary colors on graphic design. So these colors are very, very important. You need these colors to, most of the time we use it to emphasize and highlight some certain textures. After showing you all these things, I just want you to go ahead, go around, look around the designs made by professionals and how they do it. So we use red to highlight some strong event, yellow also to highlight warmth, and blue confidence, and so on and so forth. So primary colors you already know. Now let's move on to the secondary column. Secondary colors are green, orange, and purple. You already know that you mix 2 primary colors to go get 2 secondary colors. So that's by the way. So green, orange, and purple are your secondary colors. You already know. I don't want to go into details on that. Now your tertiary color, when you mix 1 primary color and 1 secondary color, you get a tertiary color. They are red, purple, yellowish green, and violet, okay, and so on and so forth. Now I just want to bring you to limelight about colors. Okay, so now we've talked about colors. Now how do you use color? How do you use color? So you have to know how to use color in graphic design. Like I told you, when you want to design, the first thing that will come to your mind is, how is my color going to be? What am I designing? I'm designing a flyer. what are the color is going to be. So the color determines the tone, how attractive the audience, and how you want it to be. So I just want to give you some details about color. So the black color, if you are using a black in design, black signifies elegance, something that is elegant, powerful. It also signifies mystery, like something that is discoverable, something that you want to discover. It also signifies morning. Yeah, you already know what black is all about. So when you are designing things as a professional graphic designer, whether you are using this tool as Canva, so just put always remember what the color you are using will determine the tone of your design. So blue means calmness and royalty. You can see a lot of people use blue. Blue means loyalty, calmness, confidence. Facebook use blue and it's very attractive. Not hospitals use blue just to share it, just to tell that hey, you can come here. This is very this place you can trust us. Okay, it's confidence, is loyalty, we can attend to you, is calmness. So when you are using blue in a color, you already know what you are trying to portray. So let's move on. Green. Green means abundance. You already know green grass, green fruits. It means nature. It means freshness. It means multiplication. Yeah, green. So you are using green. Like they ask you to design a flyer about agriculture. You already know that green must be there. They are telling you to design a flyer about fruitfulness, yeah, maybe harvest or stuff like that. You know that your green must be there. Okay, so yellow. Yellow means happiness, hope, concentration. Yellow is a very lively color, so it means happiness, concentration, and hope. When you go to schools, you can see schools are painted with yellow. Most schools, well, the people that know color design a lot, if the architecture or people that build the schools know the meaning of color. Yellow is very important in schools. It means happiness, concentration, and hope. So yellow is a very important color. So when you are using yellow to design something, you already know what you're trying to create. So you're trying to create happiness, concentration, hope. Red, the color red means passion, love, danger, anger. So want to create a flyer, want to create a graphic designing content about Valentine, love. I want to create something about card, wedding card. You already know love, passion, danger, anger. You create something about uh, awareness. You want to show people awareness. Especially red is always used to show danger, like Instagram. You see red as a notification just to show you that something important is here. So this is what red is all about. Which other color am I going to talk about? Okay, white. You already know white means purity, calmness, and innocence. White, very important. White is very important. And the purple means royalty, luxury, wealth, sophistications. So you're talking about luxury, wealth, you use purple. Cream color means elegance. Gray means conservative and formalities. Okay, so now I've taught you all those things. I want you to also go ahead and check meaning of color. It might mean different thing to you and different thing to another person. So this is what I want you to know first about graphic designing. Color, very important. Color, very key to your graphic design. So next time you're starting something on Canva, any other graphic designing content, you should know about your color. So this is the lesson 1 about uh, graphic designing using Canva. So we are moving on to lesson 2 just in a bit.